Every day, you might not be responding to leads quick enough, but somebody else is. And it's not because you don't care, it's because you're doing the work that actually matters. But this is how I fixed it. All right, welcome to my n8n. This is the software I do the building on. I do want to say I'm breaking it down real quick, and then I'll do the execution after, showing it work live. So, first off, this is the tally trigger. It is what starts the entire workflow off. Again, we are not bound by any limits. We do completely custom work. It can be any form, any AI, it can be any CRM, any messaging platform. It doesn't have to be anything we're using. It's just for this example to show you, a process like this happening. So for ours, it'll be tally forms, which I have here. One will be warm, one will be hot, and one will be cold, basically wasting your time, basically, as you can tell. So after the form submitted, it will trigger this entire execution. It will go on to the second step, which will formalize the data, make it usable for this next step, which is the AI. It'll then evaluate the lead based on a bunch of criteria we could set, which will score the lead and understand the lead so that you understand it's summarized. You won't have to like break everything down yourself. You'll know who's coming in, when, and where. So after that step, we have the parse one. This one formalizes the data one more time. It makes it organized so it's able to be used for our sheet node and our Slack node. So once that data is formalized, it'll then come into the sheet one, be logged into the sheet or whatever CRM you may use. And right after that, you will be, message the lead with all the details you need so you can go right to messaging that lead and closing the deal. All right, so let's get this started. I do have these three forms I will be submitting just now. All right, so we have these so you can have an idea of what we have filled out here. Blah. So submit, and submit. So we go here, then we go to executions, and you'll be able to see there'll be three of these running in just a second. You just got two at the moment, or one probably finished before I came into here. Yeah, it did. So as you can see, it's all done. We go to our sheets, and now we have the three leads logged into the CRM with all the key details here, as you can see, hot, warm, and cold. And this one was very low because it's basically wasting your time. After that, you will be messaged. It could even be a phone number if you have a bot or software that's capable of doing that. By all means, we can do that. So we have this one here, new lead, as you can tell, score 90 to 100, hot, tells you why exactly, the name, email, phone number. Then it tells you what they want, the budget, the timeline, and all. And then the next step, call it a day. So yeah, as you can tell, this one's also saying low priority. It's basically wasting your time, no budget, timeline, or specific need. So you have an idea of who's wasting your time, which ones are immediately go-tos, or you can even block out these dumb ones like this where you don't even get it messaged to you and you just have the priority leads get messaged or put in certain spots, whatever it may be. We can build it completely custom to your needs. So yeah, this is our automation for evaluating leads from, again, any form source or wherever you get your leads from. Again, if you want this built for your business, Zytra.ai, or you directly message me, and we can get you started very quickly. So yeah, anything you may want, we can build. It's not going to be an issue. Again, I'll be doing a lot of these other builds, trying to explain and show what's possible with these kind of systems, and to just get it out there to show the world what's possible. There's so much possible with automation. It's been around for a while, and it's only going to get crazier with the possibilities we now have with artificial intelligence. So I appreciate you watching, and if you do want any services, feel free to reach out. And I'm looking forward to seeing the next one. Bye bye.